And your Reshmi here from your Rice Person. So hope you all are doing very good today. Thank you so much for your support as always. And today I have selected some exclusive, smart, trendy daily look kurtis collection. So let me display very beautiful brides all are. And this one rayon cotton premium quality rayon cotton material kurti only top part and fully designer piece and beautiful fine embroidery mirror design, very smart look, soft, lightweight, comfortable. And this one hand portions, very smart fit, trendy looks and bright color combinations. Only top part kurti and beautiful fine embroidery work and summer friendly also, you can use with your daily wear. So let me display next one also very elegant looks. And also very elegant looks, premium quality khadi base, pure khadi base with beautiful hand embroidery work. This one is fully designer piece and fully hand design, hand embroidery, and base part is khadi cotton base texture weaving, full base part and beautiful fine hand embroidery design work, very smart looks. And the top portions only kurti, and this one hand portions, hand also beautiful hand embroidery work, very trendy and elegant looks. So next one, so very smart looks, smart trendy looks, based for your office wear, professional wear, very nice one. Premium quality rayon cotton base with beautiful printed one, checks pattern with floral printed, very beautiful smart looks and soft, comfortable. Obviously premium quality rayon cotton with beautiful button design, very smart and trendy looks. Only top portions kurti part, and this one hand portions, hand also very smart design. This portion is hand, beautiful piping and printed one, fully printed and very soft, comfortable, summer friendly, premium quality rayon cotton fabric. So let me display next one also very smart looks. So very beautiful, elegant, smart looks, pure chanderi silk, only top part kurti with beautiful digital printed one, chanderi silk with digital print, inside have nylon material. And this one hand portion, very smart look, smart fit and trendy, obviously pure chanderi silk with digital print, very smart, trendy, soft looks. And this fully digital printed one, soft, comfortable, summer friendly, inside have nylon. So let me display next one also very smart looks. So very beautiful one and very bright color combinations, bright green shade, premium quality rayon cotton base with beautiful design work, beads and sequin design, very nice looks, bright one, beautiful sequin design, beads and sequin work, very nice one, and premium quality rayon cotton one and very soft, comfortable, summer friendly, smart looks. And this one hand portions, fully designer piece, hand slim fit and beautiful umbrella cutting hand design, very nice trendy looks, based for your office wear, daily wear, college wear, very nice one. So let me display next one. And also very beautiful bright looks, brown shade with beautiful design, sequin work, premium quality rayon cotton base with beautiful sequin fine embroidery work, buttons design, very smart, trendy and bright looks and beautiful color combinations. Only top part kurti and premium quality rayon cotton fabric and very soft, comfortable, summer friendly, fully designed work, sequin fine design. And this one hand portions, very trendy and elegant looks, based for your office wear, daily wear, college wear, very nice looks. So let me display next one also very smart looks. And same today I have taped, and this one also premium quality pure rayon cotton, premium quality rayon cotton with beautiful smart fit and printed and very nice looks and nice button also. Same today I have taped, very trendy and smart looks and soft, comfortable, summer friendly, obviously based for your office wear, college wear, very smart looks. And this one is hand portions, fully smart fit fittings, and this one is full base part, only kurti part and premium quality rayon cotton, very soft, comfortable, summer friendly, based for your office wear, regular wear, very nice one. So let me display next one. This one, very elegant looks. Base part is premium quality pure handloom cotton fabric with fine embroidery design, zari embroidery design work, and beautiful contrast silk material piping with beautiful beads design beads, chemical beads design. Very smart looks and beautiful one. Premium quality pure handloom cotton fabric, soft, comfortable, summer friendly, obviously, and very nice looks with beautiful zari embroidery work. And this one is hand portions, contrast silk material piping, and base part is handloom cotton fabric. Very trendy and elegant looks. So this one also very beautiful bright looks, trendy one. Base part is rayon cotton, premium quality rayon cotton fabric, soft, summer friendly. And this one middle portions fully design work, fine colorful embroidery threaded work. Very nice trendy looks, slim fit, very trendy one, and beautiful piping on neck portion. And this one is middle portions fully fine colorful threaded embroidery work, and only top part kurti. And this one hand portions beautiful smart looks, very trendy one, based for your office wear, daily wear. Very nice one. And very smart trendy looks, pure handloom semi cotton silk base with very soft comfortable summer friendly beautiful smart looks with and buttons design. Very smart one, only top portions kurti. And this one hand portions beautiful painted also, and base part is semi cotton base and soft comfortable and summer friendly, obviously. Very smart and elegant looks, beautiful color combinations also. So let me display next one. And also very smart looks, pure handloom one, soft silk material with beautiful printed one. Very smart trendy looks, slim fit trendy one, and soft comfortable summer friendly, very beautiful printed. And this one is hand portions and the top part kurti. Very nice looks and pure handloom soft silk with beautiful smart printed one and comfortable also. So let me display next one. Next one also very smart and trendy looks. This one also very beautiful smart looks, silk material and fine weaving stripes design. Every stripes are weaving stripes. Very nice looks, elegant obviously, and inside have lining cotton fabric lining material, and base part is silk material with silk weaving stripes design, full base, only top part kurti. And this one hand portion, and this one is full base part. Very smart and elegant looks. So let me display next one. This one very elegant and beautiful looks, and pure handloom fabric, pure handloom cotton with beautiful printed one, only top part kurti. And this one is hand portions. And this one neck portions beautiful piping, and shoulder portions is beautiful buttons design, fully smart design looks, and pure cotton fabric, pure handloom cotton fabric with beautiful multicolor printed. Very trendy and elegant looks, based for your office wear, daily wear. Very smart one. So let me display next one. This one very beautiful one, semi cotton base, pure handloom fabric, semi cotton base with beautiful crystal buttons with beautiful fine embroidery mirror design. Very smart and elegant looks, fully designer piece. And this one hand portions smart fit, and this one is beautiful crystal button embroidery, fine embroidery design, mirror work. Very smart and elegant looks, premium quality semi cotton base, soft comfortable summer friendly with beautiful embroidery design. Very smart and elegant looks. So let me display next one. This one very beautiful smart looks, soft silk material with beautiful fine embroidery design, full base part, top part only kurti top part, and beautiful smart fine embroidery design, full base part, full top part. Very smart trendy looks and very elegant color combinations, and fine embroidery design, fully fine embroidery work, full base part. This one is hand portions, fully embroidery design. Very smart trendy looks, soft lightweight obviously. Very nice one, comfortable summer friendly, and inside have cloths also, lining. Very nice one. This one very elegant trendy looks, pure khadi cotton base part, only top part kurti with beautiful smart design work, buttons, contrast color buttons with fine stitching work design, and this portion is side portion is fully fine embroidery design work, very nice trendy looks. And base part is premium quality khadi cotton base, very soft, comfortable, summer friendly and very elegant looks. And this one hand portions, these portions also design work, stripes, buttons, very trendy and elegant looks. So let me display next one also very elegant one. So let me display this one, very beautiful, elegant and very nice color combinations, premium quality khadi cotton base, and full base part is structure weaving design, full base and premium quality pure handloom khadi cotton, summer friendly obviously, with beautiful design work, contrast color, threaded fine embroidery design with button design, very nice trendy looks. And this one hand portions, beautiful one, contrast color stripes with button design hand. And this one is top portions, beautiful design work, very trendy one, top part only kurti and premium quality khadi cotton base, soft, comfortable, summer friendly and for your office wear, professional wear, very elegant looks. So let me display next one. Video. This one also very beautiful, elegant looks and premium quality handloom khadi cotton base with beautiful design work, beautiful buttons design, contrast color piping design and fine embroidery work, very nice trendy looks, premium quality pure handloom khadi cotton base and soft, comfortable obviously. And this one hand portions, beautiful design work. And this one is bottom portions of top part with beautiful fine embroidery and buttons design, very elegant looks, soft, comfortable, only top part kurti, very nice on premium quality pure handloom khadi base with design work. Let me display next one also most elegant one. This one also very beautiful, elegant and exclusive looks, base part is premium quality pure handloom khadi cotton base and full base part is texture weaving design, silk weaving texture and beautiful design work, collar this portion is neck portions, beautiful piping, contrast color, buttons, designer buttons and beautiful fine embroidery work, this portion very smart and elegant looks. And this one hand portions also design work, highlighted contrast color piping with design buttons and premium base part is premium quality pure handloom khadi base, texture weaving design and beautiful elegant color combinations. And this one full base part, top part only, and this one is beautiful stripes on bottom part, very trendy and elegant looks. Hope you will like our collection. Thank you so much for watching the video. Don't forget to subscribe our channel. Keep browsing our website. Stay healthy. Have a good day. Thank you so much.